The irony, I'm focused on.
So I just wanted to talk briefly about the metric fittings that we stock at WaterPro. We choose to stock the Philmac 3G metric fitting. We believe it's the best fitting for what it's, I guess, in its place. So there's a lot of different brands out there. Philmac are a very well-known brand in Australia, and to top it off, the manufacturing facility they have here is in South Australia, and their offices are in South Australia. So what I've got here is a 25mm compression joiner. It's a 3G joiner that you would use to repair or join a 25mm poly. We stock the Philmac 3G fittings from 20 to 50mm in joiners, tees, threaded tees, elbows and the like. So I'll just quickly go through, I guess, how a fitting like this is installed. So these come, everything's ready to go. There's no loose parts. You want to ensure that you expose 2 to 3 threads, which you can see there. With the blue line, it's really important to make sure that you've got a nice clean cut. So that's not ideal. I've done a really bad job there. So you want to make it nice and flat. What do you reckon, third time? Cool, so nice and clean. Now this doesn't need any pipe chamfering or any lubricant. You're inserting the pipe into the fitting until the first point of resistance, and you're tightening that up. So that's pretty much as tight as you're going to get it with your hand. You're going to need to either use 2 sets of multi-grips. Hold it, obviously, if I'm standing up, this is going to be a lot better. And then, so you're supporting it with one, and just doing that final tightening. So that's in. And then obviously repeating the process on the other side to join 2 pieces of pipe together. One of the great things about these fittings is you can actually take them apart. So you'll take it back to, you know, exposing that, so what is it, 2 threads? Then you can just pull the pipe out. So these are a really good fitting. They're made in Australia, they're designed in Australia. There's a lot of options when it comes to, I guess, compression fittings or blue line fittings for us, and we choose to use the Philmac one. Big fans of supporting South Australia when it's possible. And by saying when it's possible, what I mean is if the quality is not substandard and the price is competitive and within, you know, a reasonable percentage, we happily stock fittings that are made here. Another thing that's really important with these is that the nuts are interchangeable with their rural range. So the difference between you could actually have just the nuts of the rural fittings, and then you could fit that to that. So that's what it is. It's pretty simple.
Sky City.